Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss chain alkyne reduction. In this reaction an acetylenic alcohol reacts with sodium bis 2-methoxyethoxy aluminum hydride, also called Radal or lithium aluminum hydride, to produce E-allylic alcohol stereoselectively. Mechanism of chain alkyne reduction. Hydroxyl group of substrate is acidic in nature, while radal or lithium aluminum hydride is a base. The acid-base reaction liberates hydrogen gas to produce this complex intramolecular hydride ion transfer from aluminum to alkynic carbon like this gives alkynyl carbanion. Acidic workup causes protonation to produce E-allylic alcohol stereoselectively. For example, this is an intermediate for the synthesis of minus clavosolide A. It has acetylenic alcohol group shown in red color. When it is treated with radal in ether, produces E-allylic alcohol stereoselectively. Similarly, R2-methylhep-4-ion-3-ol when allowed to react with lithium aluminum hydride produces Re2-methylhep-4-in-3-ol stereoselectively. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.